Yeah. On God, broskies and sisters, welcome back to another reaction video. On God, I remain your boy, the Mask Reactor, aka Naija Gangster. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you to the channel of violence. On God, bro. Listen, on this part of YouTube, though, we do not partake in violence. Let's be clear, but we definitely enjoy seeing violence and viewing violence. On God. But some news reaching me though is that some folks, some people out here trying to unveil my identity and shit. Like some niggas trying to figure out who is behind the mask and shit. And some people, well, probably know now who is behind the mask, but anyways, some of y'all still don't know who is behind the mask, which is okay, I guess. But right now, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. All right. So I'm gonna switch up the way I speak and my accent and shit. Like y'all not gonna be able to figure out who the hell is behind the mask. But y'all should know, yeah. I'm Nigerian still. I'm a Nigerian guy on YouTube, but that's where we're gonna leave it at. You feel me? I'm gonna switch up the way I speak, switch up my accent and shit, so y'all niggas not gonna be able to figure out who's behind the mask. On God. But anyways, Mayan, anyways, Mayan. Yesterday we did some music reactions and shit, but today it's about laughter. I wanted to do this reaction video yesterday, but I couldn't do it because I had a lot on my plate. Yeah, I had a lot on my plate. On God. But today, we're reacting to Try Not to Laugh Naija TikTok compilation. This is part 89. Part 89, my guy. You are a real hustler. You got part 8. How many views this shit got? Oh, bro got 438 subscribers. I don't even know if it's a bro or a sis, but whatever. We're just gonna say bro for now until we figure out. I mean, I don't, whatever. But yeah, the channel has 438 subscribers. You know what? I'm a subscribe. Yeah, yeah, I'm a subscribe because you know why? I'm viewing your content, so I'm gonna give you a subscription. You feel me? And if you're also out there checking out this video, give me a sub as well, man. Give me a sub. Like you don't have to pay for a sub. You feel me? Even if you don't give me a like, which you should give me, of course, give me a sub, man. Give me a sub, man. Don't play. In the words of very dark man, you're gonna learn. And you're gonna learn the hard way on God. But hey man, I don't wanna waste none of your time. Oh, okay. Yeah, anyways, man, let's just go straight to the video and see if this TikTok compilation can make me laugh. But before I start, I'm gonna sip my coffee. It's bitter as fuck, so it's gonna make me hard in my face a little more. 'Cause I don't wanna laugh this morning. I already laughed. Yeah, because laughter is good for the soul. That shit bitter as fuck, bro. Okay, man. Try not to laugh. Naija TikTok compilation part 89. I know this bro is funny, but let's see if I'm gonna laugh.
Good morning, sir. God bless you. Sorry, sir. Good morning, sir. God bless you. Sir, hold on. Sorry. Good morning, sir. God bless you. God bless you.
Oh, okay, listen, at this point, I didn't laugh. I just chuckled. That doesn't count as a laugh. That doesn't count. All right, but anyways, at this point, I'm kidnapping, bro. I'm kidnapping, bro, ASAP. I'm kidnapping, bro. I'm not agitating violence, whatever. But I mean, if you tell someone good morning, like imagine if you tell someone good morning or good afternoon, good evening. Every time you tell someone good morning, bro, you get credited, bro. I'm kidnapping your ass. On God.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way.
He just read my mind, bro. He read my mind. Kidnap his ass, bro. Tie him up. Okay, when I laugh because I was talking, not because of the because I was talking. Okay, good. Relax. I didn't laugh yet. All right then. And even if I laugh, so what? So what? Chill out, man.
Good morning, sir.
God bless you.
Jesus.
Good morning, sir.
Jesus.
Good morning, sir.
God bless you.
5 years of madness.
Good afternoon, sir.
God bless you.
Bro, I swear I go greet you so spit go dry from my mouth. On God, bro. What? What? Anyway, bro, I will tie you down in my basement. Tie you down in my basement, bro. I'll feed you well. Like we'll share the money anyways. It will be like it will be like 90-10%. You feel me? I'll take like 90%, you take like 10%. You feel me?
Good
Listen,
afternoon,
I think that's a fair trade or a fair deal.
sir.
God bless you.
Good night, sir.
God bless you.
Hey!
Joy.
Yes, who is that? That.
Come, wait till the meaning of that rubbish where you do where I say me how you dey talk for phone, you dey hang up call for my ear.
How much I have? Simply because I asked you for money to feed gas. You asking me that when you're not dating me, how was I feeling my gas?
Yes, now go ask you. Now I not go ask you. Joy yesterday here when me and you start to the date, you don't dey tell me say I give money, me you take figures. I take
Nah, that's wrong. See, nah, listen. This is not nah, bro. Like even you yourself, you, this lady watching me right now, you, this girl watching me right now, you know that's wrong. How can you date a guy for a day and start asking for gas money? What the fuck? Why? Why? And I'm sure they haven't even smashed. So why would you be asking for gas money after just one day? That's bro, relax. Calm your titties down. Relax. On God, relax. That shit doesn't fly over here. Nah, that shit don't fly over here. On God, broski.
the fee your gas before when me and you never know. I mean, not the fee gas before. Now let me ask you. Relationship of just yesterday, today you don't tell me figures. Who know what you go tell me do tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow now I don't do that for your papa.
Is that all you have to say?
Or according to one of your brother they go school.
Is that all you have to say, Abi? If it's like that you want to behave, me, I'm not even interested in it. I don't
Who
want
want date you again before? I tell you this one. What do you think? I don't be date person like you. I want date liability. The only thing make me come and call the polo when you come off my house yesterday.
Hey.
Go inside the other go bring my polo come.
polo.
Who want date you? I want date you again before.
You gotta trust man. Man.
They play now.
Because of polo. Take your polo.
Give my polo. Offer. You go tell me that why they told you you be offer. So I know why they take care of you now. All they play some more bukele.
Nah, it's crazy. It's crazy because hold on, let me sip my shit. Let me sip my shit. Nah, bro, come on, like let's be realistic. All jokes aside, like it's crazy, innit? How you just gonna start dating the guy for a day and the next day, bro? See, I swear, I remember a certain time, yeah. I remember a certain time, right? I wasn't even dating this chick, bro. We just started talking, bro. And you know what she told me? We started talking. A few days, she told me my birthday is in 2 weeks. Was it 2 weeks or like I don't know? She said I think my birthday was like in 2 weeks or like in a few weeks time. She said, and I swear my reply was like, okay, that was what I said, bro. The day came, I didn't do shit, nothing, and she wrote me, oh. Because I told you my birthday was in 2 weeks, you didn't reply, bro. I ignored the fuck out of this chick, bro. Like, nah, because like, okay, bro, like we just met. Relax. Calm your titties down. It's not that deep. Relax, fam. You feel me? And there was also a girl, bro. Like when I was in high school, right? In high school in Nigeria, broski. I've known this girl like we've known each other since like think from primary school type shit. We from primary school type shit, and we attended the same secondary school. In it, she never looked my way, bro. we talk normal, you feel me? But she had other guys she was hanging out because back then I wasn't like, the popular kid in school type shit. I was popular for like dancing and playing football and just being athletic and, type shit. But besides that, I wasn't among the cool kids per se type shit. Bro, and then after I left Nigeria, bro, we didn't speak for a long time, bro. I left Nigeria and I moved to Europe type shit, bro. And somehow she wrote me on Facebook. We started speaking because yeah, whatever. And bro, she said, "Oh, well, let me get your number, blah blah blah." And me, I hate giving up my numbers to people that I don't really speak to. We can link up on Facebook, on social media type stuff. It's cool, but my number is like prime people that I really like fuck with. You feel me? I'm like, all right, cool. All right, cool. Give my number, started chatting, and though we didn't test for like 3 days, bro. Told me her birthday was like. She told me her birthday was coming up on a certain day. And I'm like, all right, cool. Yeah, all right, cool. Bro, I ignored the fuck out of her. I ignored the fuck out of her. Like, what you want me to do to you? Send you? Nah, I ain't sending you shit. I have like sisters who are still in the uni that I got to sponsor a little bit. I got parents that I got to sponsor a little bit. So don't give me that energy, bro. It's not about being greedy, selfish, or broke. Nah, bro. I got my priorities and I got my responsibilities. And I'm a hustler. I'm hustling on YouTube right now. You feel me? So if you see this video, I need your subscriptions and I need subs, bro. You feel me? Yeah. So I ignored the fuck out of this shit, bro. And then she gonna rap me after some days and like, oh, you don't even chat to me no more because I do that. I left her on red, bro. I left her on dry, like Ed. Like what did Drake say? I left her on dry. I forgot how he said it, but I left her on. She was Ed, bro. That was like a few months ago. Till this day, she didn't rap me, and I'm like, you don't even supposed to rap me, bro. Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna change my number again because I I have like a number for like few months, and I switched that shit up because when so many people get to have my private contacts, I switched that shit up. Nah, bro, leave me the fuck alone, bro. Damn.
Fine girl, fine skin.
That was the only escape because there is nothing you could do. There's nothing you can literally do. He reminds me of that time back in the day. I know some of you did it, so don't judge me. I know some of you did this shit, bro. Remember when you were fat, like, and then you and then you would be like, you use that to mask the fact that you just fat so that no one will know, bro. Okay, this. Oh wait, I remember, bro. This shit. Oh my god, bro. I have too many stories. So I was it was back in the day, right? I was in my when I was still a Christian, right? I was in church. I was young though. I was in church, and that was the time where Night of a Thousand Laughs was like like going crazy in Nigeria, and I think it was Basket Mount or I Go Die. I don't know, but one of them made the joke, the father and masked it up with type stuff, right? So I was in church, and my crush back in the day was sitting in front of me, bro. All right. So my crush was sitting in front of me in the church, and I was sitting behind my crush in the church, bro. And the sermon was going on, but bro, I slept off. Don't judge me. Some of you have done it. Fuck it. I slept off, bro. And while I was sleeping, bro, I farted, bro. I swear on my life, bro. I swear it was like, and then, bro, I swear my crush turned. It was her and her sister, right? It was her and her sister. They turned, and I just woke up and I'm like, and then they giggled, right? And they turned back. So I was like, fuck, how do I get myself out of this situation? And then I just went like, and they turned, and I'm like, Bro, I swear if I'm lying, I'm dying. This shit happened in real life. Oh my god. And nah, it was crazy, bro. So I have no idea if they fell for it or if they didn't, but I just know I had to rescue myself from that situation, bro. I did it and don't blame me. Life is hard. Fuck you. Oh my days, bro. Ah.
Ma, excuse me, ma. Ma, excuse me. Ma, excuse me, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Please, may I know you?
Ma, I want come make inquiry.
Are you a student of this school?
Yes, ma, I'm a student.
Which department?
Chemistry department, ma.
So?
Ma, now the assignment where you give my course mates, I know the class when you give them. So now why I come say may you give me my own.
Go and take it from them and do it now.
Ma, no, the one where you give them, they're very hard. So I come may you give me my own, we go dey simple for me.
Young man, are you alright?
Very healthy, ma.
I gave an assignment and you said it's difficult. If you cannot do it, it's an F for you.
Ma, no dey raise voice. You know that you know about that lecturer we died last week. Not be saying I me kill him, but now this kind of behavior I been get. They make me go house, go pray for him. 3 days fasting and prayer. You see the result. And you know, say get some of my boys where they around now as I'm talking to you. Some of them hold stick, hold knife and gun, and then they're ready to bitty, cutty, and shooty.
My son, what's that your name again?
Ibekwe Chukwemeka.
Chukwemeka, chemistry department?
Exactly, ma.
That's an A.
A?
Yes, my son.
Ma, what about the assignment?
Don't worry, you have submitted.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ma, peace be unto you.
And unto you too, my son.
Life is simple.
Oh God. Life is simple if you have that kind of power.
Special for you. I have to go to Chinese restaurant and get all those kini something, and you will enjoy it.
What the hell do you have? What kind of bro? What kind of eyelashes are those, bro? It looks like umbrella. It looks like if it's raining, I can hide under them eyelashes and shit. Like what is going on, bro? And this is like this is the correct I don't know if it to say costume or whatever how you want to call it, but you remember those back in the day Chinese shifu movies where they will scrape this whole part off and it's just like the bones remain. Bro took that into detail, so that's dope. I respect that. Nigerians, we too mumusha on God.
Yes.
Ni fa bi fen jiwe like ya gya. Ne mana ndem moda marwa. No makagawa kan jiwe si chinko we bata.
Bro is speaking Igbo with Chinese accent. I'm not laughing because of the video, I'm laughing because of the aesthetic. You feel me? And the accent. What the fuck? He's gonna fly, relax.
The love is too much.
Maka chineke na ya kan do yibo jiwe sia. Na love is blind ya. Love is blind ya. Ship to her. Maka ndo chinko nebuze meta ichi. Tuko ibe nya. Pupe ya. Pupe ya. Oto.
You will hold your spoon.
Kanjide ya.
Yes, you will.
Oto.
You will hold your spoon.
Pupe ya. Pupe ya.
Yo, what the fuck is going on, bro? Kupeya, like open it up. Is that what it open it up? Kupeya, bro. What the hell is going on, bro? Oh my days. Okay, yeah, I laughed. Fuck you. I don't care. I laughed. What you gonna do? Kill me. Fight me, bitch.
Oto.
Oh shit.
Kanjide ya.
Yes, you will.
Pupe ya.
Very special
Pupe ya.
Hey, sit down. Hey! Delicious Milo.
Ke ife di fa.
You know what's crazy, bro? You cannot say this is racist or because this is actually what these Chinese folks be doing. I don't know if it's all Chinese people, but I know definitely some Chinese people. They be eating live shit, bro. You see it every day on TikTok live and shit. You see it every day. Them folks be eating raw live shit. You feel me? Look at this thing is crawling, bro. That's a lizard, bro. What is that? A cockroach? What the fuck is going on, bro? What is going on? And it might shock you. There are people that will eat this shit like this. Like you might be it might shock you. This could be like a real cuisine for some folks out there. No cap. Like, and that's cucumber, bro. That's mad. This is some healthy shit. Fuck it. Oh my lord, bro. I can't do this. This is too funny, bro.
This thing, I have to go to Chinese restaurant and shop the best. See this one, this one is a lizard. This is your meal, now. This is what they eat in China.
Igbo man is shocked. The Igbo brother is shocked. No be one from Chinese. You ain't saying shit here, fam. You ain't saying shit.
It's option that they eat in China now.
I don't understand Igbo. I don't understand what he's saying. So if you understand Igbo, please translate. Tell me what he's saying in the comment section, bro. I know he's saying some really, really funny shit, bro. But did she say balanced diet? Wait, hold on. I can't. If she said balanced diet, I'm losing my shit.
Balanced diet. Baby, it's okay now.
Even the anine na fikita, we even the neri na chinkwa. Oboron batana Nigeria, nyabo na ni boa, mbeko ne rudi fa, ni gagantia, even jari dikita, bues bota boa, aqua.
Which one is aqua?
Bro, did he say aqua? Is aqua aku? That's if it's aku, that's like pounded yam, isn't it? That's how we say it where I'm from as well. Aqua. Oh man, bro, I can't deal with bro. That's crazy.
Baby, this is not China. This is Nigeria. You cannot be eating aqua. You eat what you used to eat in China, so that your body will be fresh now.
Nah, that was funny, bro. Plus, what was funny in the whole video was her eyelashes, bro. Is it? Yeah, it's eyelashes. Why the hell are they so long and so big? What is going on, bro? You can smoke under that shit if it's raining.
Okay, bro, I won't play one song for you now. If you tell me the name of the artist, where sing them, I will give you 4K now.
Alright, no problem. I did game now. The video now, gig.
See, because of that music, if they flag my content for copyrights, I'm coming to come fight you. On God, don't play with me. You will learn.
The video, Abby. So this one now for 8K. If you get them,
Okay.
if you tell me the name of the artist, where sing.
No, wait, before we even go further, this looks like, back in high school when we used to do maths, right? The teacher will give us a very easy example, a very easy question as example. She will solve it, or he will solve it as an example, right? And then when it comes to us writing exercise, they will give us the most difficult shit. And I'm like, how are you going to give us an easy example and then make us write the most difficult equation? Like, what the fuck is going on? I swear, this is what is about to happen right now. Easy song, and then
Sing this song, I will give you 8K. But if you fail you will give me back this 4K. You did ready?
I do hear you now. Yes, now.
God have mercy upon us.
It can take your money eventually.
Bro, wait, bro, Jackpot, bro, Jackpot, bro. What the hell?
God have mercy upon us.
It can take
Bro. Oh my god, bro, that shit is funny. Bro, see how wait, because now, like, why would you do that? How you gonna give someone example 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and then when it's time to write the equation, you ask person 10 minus 1 times 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 8 times x y z. What the fuck? Look how look at the steps.
God have mercy upon us.
Bro, listen, bro is trying to catch the song and he's like, nah, I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm out. I'm outro. 1, 2. Bro, man, 1, 2, pew. Bro, man, it's outro. Oh God, broski.
it can take your money eventually.
Shit. Oh shit, bro.
Hello.
Bro, nah, this compilation needs to go viral. I know I'm gonna give you a like for sure. 2 days ago, 48 views. Come on, man. Please, yeah. I will leave. I'll leave. I'll put the the link on the description below. Y'all gotta go check this shit out, bro. This shit is funny as hell. This should go viral.
Excuse me.
Johnny said.
Babe, relax. Yes?
My name is Chinedu. I'm a straightforward guy. I like you and I want you to come with me.
Are you?
Babe, don't worry. I'll handle this. What do you take me for? Like, I don't get it. You just see someone on the road, stop them and start spilling nonsense. Are you okay?
Relax. I'll send you 8 million naira.
Don't be a foolish idiot.
I'm not even though. What of 8 million?
You know what?
I know me and my boyfriend are not there yet, but with time we are getting there. Babe, right?
Yo! Yo, they do that waka. They play. Baby boo.
You know what?
Where will I sit? I be my drive.
Bro said they play. That's crazy. Bro, that was funny, bro. I like that one. That was funny. Hmm. But yeah, that was funny, bro. Naija TikTok compilation. Yeah, yeah. Oh shit, man. Yeah, you caught me. I laugh. So what? What you gonna do? Fight me? Come on, fight me, bro. I once took boxing lessons. I'll fuck you up. No, I'm joking. Don't come and fight me. I'm a peace-loving guy. Like I said, we don't indulge in violence. We only enjoy seeing violence. You feel me? But hey, man. Thank you guys for checking out this video, man. I hope you all laughed as well the way I did. I enjoyed this video for real. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see you on the other video, man. I'm gonna react to more TikTok compilation videos from Naija content creators. You feel me? So yeah, I hope to see you on the other side, man. Peace out. Oh, like, share, and subscribe. On God.